Hi there, Zhang Jishu. I'm Mona, the senior mission intel agent on this case. I'll provide you with the intel in this operation. Liu Xin is my supervisor. You saw many well-known cases with her. I'm honored to be part of your team.
You're being too polite.
Wei Long is currently at the bridge and enjoying the pageant with his underlings. Keep going and cross the barricade. You'll see him once you get down there. Given your skills, this shouldn't be a problem.
Thank you, Mona. What do you know about the Parade of Penate?
The city the
Thank you, Mona. Wei Long.
Oh, well, if it isn't the great detective Zhang Zishu. To what do I owe this pleasant surprise? I'm sure you didn't come all this way just to see our little holiday celebration.
This reporter's name is Lisbeth.
Hot.
She disappeared 2 days ago.
It's too bad I never got to see her with my own eyes. Did any of you see her?
Never saw her, boss.
You hear that? Now if there's nothing else, piss off.
Her co-workers say that you're the last person she interviewed.
I said you can piss off.
You may have heard. We're investigating a murder involving several of your people. If you don't cooperate, I can move this up the chain. Then come back with a search warrant and take you down. If we do it that way, I'm afraid your extravagant Parade of Penate might hit a few snags.
Screw you! You think you can threaten me on my own turf? Don't think I forgot about our grudge from 5 years ago. Who do you think you are? You're just a petty detective. What the hell are you all looking at? Put the word out. Whoever kills him gets a 500K reward. What the fuck? Fucking leg!
Don't shoot. Sie einzuschieben.
You motherfucker! My fucking leg! Fuck!
fucking hurts! Let go of my hand! Fucking hell! My fucking leg! You motherfuckers! Nice one. I got one of us! Close! Mama... Fuck! Fucking nice! Man fucking ace! My fucking leg! My arm! Cool ass brutality. Fucking hell! Damn, awesome! You how? Damn, you own this brutal. Place? Fuck the man! Ash! Damn, the pain! Oh, we just lost my arm!